Hello everyone, I welcome you all in Navigation Part 3 tutorial. So today we are going to learn about option menu. So what is the option menu? As you can see on the screen indicating the red circle, this is the option menu, and I hope you have almost seen pretty much within your application. So we are going to implement it today with the navigation graph. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, you need to just add the destination. First of all, we need to actually add a destination where we want to go when we click on the option menu item. So we just open our navigation graph. So here we have some. Let's see, we create a new fragment called uncheck this box. Factory methods, we don't need that. Called about page. It's an about page and click on finish. So we click on it and make some changes. So we just do some 30sp and we change the text, that is about page. So this is our about page and we give it a color. Let's say red color or orange or yellow. So yellow. We give it a color, and now we're going to add this destination to our option menu. So as it's option menu, we need to create a menu first. So click on the resource folder directory and click on new. From here, select Android resource file and select menu from here and rename it options menu, and we click OK. So it will create something, it will bring a view or something like this. So here from your palette, just move and drag and drop a menu item. Okay, so we name it about page. Say about, not really about page, about. Okay, so here one thing to very important, that is we need to give it an ID, that actually the ID of the fragment we in this navigation graph. So just open this navigation graph, and if you click on this fragment, you will see there is an ID, and this time for this fragment it's about page. So you can just copy it, or you can just type the exact same name in option menu, this menu items ID, the exact same ID the fragment holds. Now we are done. We have given it an ID about page. So now we need to go to our first destination class. If you can click from here, first destination. So here we will be implementing the option menu because we don't want the option menu to be appear on other pages. We're just going to show it on the starting point of our application. So let's do it. So we need to enable option menu for this fragment. So how we can do it? We need to just set as option menu equal, and we need to pass a boolean parameter called true. So boolean parameter as true, and the second thing we need to do, that is, we need to override some of methods, that is on create option menu. This one. So on create options menu. So now what we need to do, we need to inflate it. How do we inflate it? We need the inflator dot inflate, and the first parameter is the menu ID. So menu ID was r dot menu dot options menu, and the second parameter is the menu we have in this methods parameter, this one. So this menu, actually this one, and the option menu is the which one we have created. So we need to override another method to put action listener in our options menu. So this one is option on option menu selected, on options item selected. So we just erase this return type and return navigation UI dot on nav destination selected, on navigation destination selected, and the first parameter is it's demanding the item, the menu item. So the menu item is here item, and the second one is the nav controller. So how we can find the nav controller? So we can view and dot find nav controller. So that's how we can do it. So it's actually showing us a small error here. What is it? Only safe or non-null asserted. Calls are allowed on nullable receiver type. So the API has changed a little bit, so this error is occurring, because when you actually see that what it actually replaced with this, and you will see that this time it's actually asking for something new. So I have found out that there is a new method appeared in the API changes, that is require view. So this method actually brings you a non-null type view. So that's what this function is demanding. So we are done. So now build this and let's see whether our app is working or not. As you can see, our build is successful. Now we can see a option menu here. If you click on about and you click on this, whoa, nice! Our application is working. So our functionality is working correctly. We click here, the about option menu, option item pairing, and when you click on the option item, and we actually in our correct destination in our about page. So that's how you can add the option menu within your application, and it's pretty much same for all of the fragments. So whenever you just need the option menu, just open the fragment, create the fragment, and open it and do this stuff, then you will have your option menu generated over here. So thanks for watching this video, and in the next video I will show you how you can integrate this navigation graph with your navigation drawer.